Why is customer analytics in marketing nowadays getting more important?
Customer analytics is becoming more important in marketing because there is so much information that we can glean out of the data that marketers are collecting these days. By listening and by anticipating, as I mentioned before, what customers want, we can actually improve the relationship with the customer. And we can do things that we've never done before, or do things better than we used to do. For instance, marketers are now in a position to segment their customer base at a much more granular level than they've ever done before. They can draw associations out of the data to find connections between things, like market basket analysis in retail, where they determine which products are you likely to buy together. And if a customer only buys one, why don't we offer them the other one? The likelihood that they should be asking for that other one is there. And it's about text analytics. It's about understanding, and to truly be able to listen to our customers, we need to be able to listen to what they're doing out on the internet, in social media. And up until recently, that's been very difficult to do. And we now have tools like text analytics software that can listen to what a customer says, determine whether it's a fact or an opinion. And if it's an opinion, is it positive, negative, or neutral? And if it's positive or negative, how positive or how negative? With that information, we can really start to understand what customers want from us and actually anticipate their needs. And that ends up, that's a differentiator for a lot of companies these days. So many companies are still stuck on figuring out what's happened and to some extent why it happened, but not enough companies are actually figuring out what's going to happen and what can we do to make that customer understand what they want. And with business analytics software and customer analytics specifically, we can actually build that relationship with the customer to a point where we understand the customer as an individual.